So, looks like we're going. Hey everybody, this is Bud Salegi. This is kind of a video journal of my 8 days of recovery here with hip surgery. Now right now, I'm up to where I'm coming out of something. I'm having to go down steps, right? So I'm going to do this. You know, the strong legs on top, and come down like this. And do this. Strong leg on top, gonna come down. Okay, this is after 8 days, right? This is how fast I can go. And in fact, I don't know why I don't have my walker, because I'm not supposed to go anywhere without it. So anyway, but I guaranteed this movement is not something that I'm just faking. I absolutely cannot go faster than this because the pain in my right leg right now is 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back down to 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5. 4 to 3 to 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, just give you an idea. This is 8 days, man. I'm doing great. 3 to 4. All right. So this may seem boring, but it's really it's really worth. It's enlightening. You know, hang with me, and I'll tell you everything that I've been able to figure out about this thing.